Your plane just got hit by lightning. Now what? If you've ever white-knuckled your armrest during a storm, here's the truth. Commercial jets get struck about once a year, but passengers usually feel nothing. The aircraft acts like a flying metal cage, channeling the bolt around the outside and flicking it back into the sky through tiny wicks on the wings. One crash in 1963 changed everything. After Pan Am 214, the FAA forced new fuel systems, shielding, and bonding. Therefore, modern jets are built to shrug strikes off. You might see a flash, hear a bang, then nothing. But lightning isn't what pilots actually fear inside a storm, and the real threat will surprise you.